Simple and easy breakfast. Your loved ones will want to eat it every day. To start our recipe, we're going to need 2 loaves of bread. Remove the center from these slices and reserve the wedges here on the side. Then, with the help of a rolling pin, flatten the central part. We will also need 2 sausages. Cut them into slices. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can thank you for following our recipes. In a bowl, add 2 eggs and whisk. You guys, this sandwich is very easy to cook and very tasty. Perfect for your whole family. You won't regret it. To continue, in a frying pan, add some butter. Then add the flattened edges of the 2 slices of bread. Inside these edges, add the sausage slices until it fills completely. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and write in the comments, "I love sausages." Now add the beaten eggs, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper, 1 slice of mozzarella cheese on top of each one, ketchup, mustard, and finally, the flattened center. When one side is turned golden, turn it over to cook the other side. And our recipe is ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.